Let me show you. First, you need to connect your Instagram account to Publer. Once you connect it, you go to Accounts, Instagram account, Link in Bio. Here you can choose a unique username for your Link in Bio page, along with the links to your website and other additional links. Everything in here is customizable, including the icons and the names that you want to use for the links. Let's see how the Link in Bio page looks so far. It looks good, but it's still incomplete as we're missing the Instagram posts. Let's go back and import the existing Instagram post to Publer. This is a new feature, by the way. Once the posts have been imported, I can choose which ones I want to show up on the Link in Bio page. You do that by specifying an external link that you want users to land once clicking on the post. If the post does not have a link here in Publer, it won't show up on your Link in Bio page and vice versa. You can add, remove and edit links at any time and your Link in Bio page will be updated instantly. You can also schedule Instagram posts in advance with Publer, and if you specify a link in here, the post will show up on your Link in Bio page as soon as it's published to Instagram. You kill two birds with only one stone. Now that the Link in Bio page looks ready, I can copy this URL, place it on my Instagram bio and forget about it. That's it. With only 5 minutes, you can save hours of work and drastically increase the